Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new. So for this video I'm going to be reviewing Hairfinity's Ultimate Revival Kit that they sent me. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first I'm starting off with their shampoo. It's a no sulfate gentle like cleanser, and it actually suds up a lot. So if you like that with your shampoos, then you're gonna like this one a lot. But yeah, I liked using this. It smells really good. Actually, all the products in this line smell really good. But yeah. Next, I'm using their conditioner, and this conditioner is super thick. Love that about it. And basically, so for these clips, I'm leaving them in real time so you guys can see how I was able to detangle my hair. So I'm starting off with a wide tooth comb first, and then I'm using a detangling brush next. And y'all, my brush was able to just glide right through my hair. Like literally this conditioner melted all the tangles away, and it just makes like your wash day a lot easier. Really enjoyed this product. Okay, so after I finished washing all the product out of my hair, I'm now using their deep treatment mask. And so this is what my hair looks like without any product in it. And all I did was just spray, sections of my hair and then applied the mask. And this mask was even like more moisturizing than the conditioner. It was also very thick as well, and it also glided through my hair really nicely. I mean, I honestly didn't need to detangle my hair at all, but I still went ahead and used like a what do you call these things, like a tangle teaser type of brush to like further distribute the product in my hair. But I mean, as you can see in these clips, I really don't have much difficulty applying this product at all. So yeah. Okay, so after I finished applying the deep conditioner, I sat under a hooded dryer for like 30 minutes with this in my hair, and this is what my hair looks like after sitting under the dryer with the product still in my hair. So as you can see, my hair drank this product all up. Like my curls are really moisturized and defined, and I was very happy with my results. So yes, now I'm using their oil. This is what my hair looks like without any product in it, by the way. But yeah, I'm about to use their growth oil in my hair, and I'm just focusing it on my scalp, and I'm gonna apply it to my edges. The oil has a nice like herbal scent, so if you like natural herbal type scents, you're gonna like this oil. Okay you guys, so I'm here to bring you my final thoughts about the Hairfinity products. So all in all, I will say that my favorites out of the entire Ultimate Revival Kit line is the conditioner and the deep conditioner. I love those. Those are what stuck out to me. Those what stuck with me. Those are the products that stuck with me, and I ended up reaching back towards. I've been using those for the past 3 weeks now. I kind of stopped using the shampoo just because, not because I didn't like it, just because I didn't gravitate towards it. Shampoos are typically products that I'm not really like obsessive over. I usually never obsess over shampoos. I pick up almost any shampoo as long as it's sulfate free and smells good and isn't damaging on the hair. I like it. So yeah, that's not necessarily a product that I'm too big on. So yeah, but the conditioner, OMG, I love that conditioner. I swear, like, a little bit goes a long way. And it just glides through your hair so nicely when you're detangling it, and it smells amazing. I mean, their product smells so good. I love the smell. I love how rich and thick both the conditioners are. The mask is slightly thicker than the actual conditioner, but both can be left in your hair for, like, you know, 30 minutes if as a deep treatment, which is what I love. So you can just buy the conditioner and also use it as a deep treatment mask. So I really love that about those products. The oil was cool too. Really like the oil. I'm still using it. But honestly, I don't really know if it has contributed to any hair growth lately. Yeah, I don't know. I can't really give a good review on the oil as far as hair growth, because I wasn't really tracking my hair growth. I really don't track it, kinda. I kinda just look at old pictures and then notice, oh, my hair grew. You know what I'm saying? Not necessarily doing length checks or anything like that. But yeah, all in all, I think you guys should definitely try their conditioner or their deep treatment mask, because to me those were like the stars of this Ultimate Revival Kit line. I definitely felt a difference in my hair after washing both of those products out. Whether I used the mask or the conditioner, I instantly felt a difference in my hair. I love the products. I love the products. I mean, even when I'm detangling my hair, the amount of shedding decreases every time I use either of their products, just because they make it so easy for you to detangle your hair. Like I said, both of the conditioners are so thick, moisturizing. They're thick, but they also penetrate through your hair, which is what I love. But yeah, you guys, I was a little bit skeptical about trying the Hairfinity vitamins, because when Hairfinity reached out to me, they asked me, you know, what products was I interested in trying. Didn't ask for the vitamins just because I was always scared to try them, because I've seen so many mixed reviews about them. But if you guys have tried any products from Hairfinity, please comment that down below, whether it be the vitamins or any of their hair products. I definitely want to try some of their styling products. I know that they have like a leave-in conditioner, and they have some other, you know, hair products that I would definitely be interested in trying. So hopefully I'll be able to get my hands on those and share them with you guys. But yes, please comment down below if you've tried anything from Hairfinity, the vitamins, the hair products. Let me know what you guys think of them. Also, let me know what you think of this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it or found it helpful. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I would really appreciate it. And hit the bell just so that you will be notified every time that I upload and you won't miss a video. And yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.